Now, we're all pretty familiar with the signs of aging, age spots, fine lines, wrinkles, all of that. But one of the key things that happens to us as we get older is that we begin to lose the subcutaneous fat just under the skin on our face. That makes us look older much faster. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some ways to offset, prevent, reduce the amount of that fat loss as you go through the years and get older. And if you're someone who's already dealing with those issues, I'm going to give you some things you can do at home to improve the overall look of the skin of your face, help improve the thickness and the look of volume in your face. So keep on watching. Now, the fat layer or hypodermis plays an integral role in the way we look. It supports the muscles as they are attached to the bone. It also is like a shock absorber, insulating your skin and actually attaching it to the muscle. It gives the face its shape, smooth, plump appearance, while also protecting your muscles, bones, and nerves from injury. Those fat pads, which are composed of lobules, are categorized into deep, superficial layers that provide the contour and gliding plane for your actual muscle movement. All those emotions we express, that's how that happens. And how that all-important fat layer changes as we age is number one, volume loss. As a person ages, the amount of that fat becomes less and less, making the face look more hollow, leading to that loss of fullness and firmness. And making that problem even worse is today we have rapid weight loss drugs. And when you lose weight really quickly, lose a lot of fat really quickly, the body tends to be very indiscriminate about that. And a lot of that can occur in the area of the face in some individuals. That loss causes hollowness, sagging skin, and an overall look of being older than you may even really be. So what can you do to prevent facial fat loss? And if you're already having that problem, what can you actually do to improve it outside of fillers or some sort of fat replacement surgery? Well, first is trying to maintain a healthy weight, avoiding yo-yo dieting, and quick weight loss treatments that can rob your face of facial fat. Also maintaining a nutritious diet rich in healthy fats, adequate hydration, and consistent exercise. And of course, it wouldn't be me if I didn't bring up the fact that you need to protect your face from the damaging effects of the sun, because we know that accumulated sun damage over time reduces the amount of collagen in your skin, enhancing the look of that fat loss. And other things that can help from a dietary perspective is to limit sodium and refined foods, which will actually help with overall body fat distribution. Avoiding excessive alcohol and limiting smoking, and yes, that includes vaping, can actually go a long way to preserving the fat in the face that's already there, putting a stop to premature aging and facial volume loss. So let's break it down into the specifics of what you can actually do. And let's start with skincare topicals. Very easy. Moisturize regularly. Keep your skin hydrated. Make sure you're using a good sunscreen, SPF 35 or higher. And consider collagen boosting serums like collagen peptides, which will help maintain skin elasticity. There are also effective exercises that you can do for the facial area to help improve that tone, build up muscle to replace some of the fat that has been lost, giving your skin a much more youthful appearance. Now, I'm a big proponent of facial massage and exercises. In fact, there's a whole slew of videos on the channel that talk about that. So if you're new and haven't found those, I'm going to make sure that they're available at the end of this video. So just keep on watching, and I will link to them down below in the video description. Those facial yoga exercises are so super effective. You'll see in the comments on those videos how well they do for folks. Again, something I've been doing for a very long time myself, and I'm 61, and I think you can see the benefits of that. And the good news is, unlike skincare products, they cost you nothing but a little bit of your time. Also, incorporating some sort of cardio activity into your daily life is very, very helpful. Now, I'm not talking about going out and running marathons, but simple things like 20 minutes of moderate exercise, take a long walk outside, play with your dog, play with your kids. Fact is, science has proven that improved circulation from cardiovascular exercise, even at a moderate level, improves overall collagen production, gets that superficial circulation moving, helps to burn overall body fat, making everything look much more even and proportionate, not only making you look good, but feel good. And it's very true what I always say, a healthier body is going to result in a healthier skin and you looking back at you from the mirror. Now, of course, if you have significant concerns about facial fat loss, it's always great to see a professional. Licensed doctors and dermatologists can actually provide feedback on what's really going on with your skin and your fat loss and help you address it with higher end treatments that have been shown to work really, really well. But I also encourage you to take a look at the things that we've talked about first in the video today, such as a good skincare routine, protecting your skin from the sun, diet, exercise, and of course, those facial massage, facial yoga exercises that work so well for so many people. Now, if you found today's video helpful on restoring and preventing facial fat loss, if you did, please like it, share it out, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that I picked out for you next, and it will be those facial exercises. Thank you so much for joining me today and supporting my work. I really do appreciate you. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.